guys. Hi guys.
Who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys. I'm Emma.
And I'm Maddie.
We're the Engel sisters. We're sisters.
This is our first video.
I'm excited about it.
We are so excited about it.
Long overdue. On our channel, we're gonna have a lot of like here and there things. It's gonna be fashion, makeup,
just some funny stuff because you know your girl over here is pretty funny.
We're gonna try to post 2 times a week.
We're just gonna see how things go at first. Again, we're so excited.
We're really
to be doing this.
This channel.
Yes. And to be doing it together as sisters.
So in this video, we're gonna be asking each other random questions.
We answer them obviously, honestly.
Yes.
As we're touching up the lashes and putting on some foundation.
We'll list all the products we used below because we didn't. We're new to this, so we still really weren't paying attention to like. We weren't doing all of that stuff. We weren't really, no.
We hope you enjoy our video. Like and subscribe. Comment below. You know the deal. So if you want to get ready with us,
keep on watching, baby.
Continue watching.
It's not that exciting.
Emma.
Hold on.
I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? You said you cared for me,
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Something for y'all to cut up to, you know?
Wait, I had a deer yesterday. I didn't tell you. My dad asked at a deer.
Put your phone out, gotta hit them angles. Put your phone out.
Okay.
Do you want to ask the first question? Or should I ask the first questions?
I'll ask the first question.
But we have to do makeup at the same time.
No, let's start over.
Multitasking?
Start over.
No, why are we starting over?
Okay, we don't have to start
Why
over.
are we
I don't know. We're gonna get right into this. Okay, wait, let me pick out the best question that I think I could ask you. Okay. We'll start with this one.
Okay.
What's the craziest thing you've ever done? Start putting the foundation on.
I know, I'm thinking. I have one thing in my head that I want to say, but it's very illegal. Like,
I don't know if we want to talk about illegal things. It's not illegal, but like, let's just answer the question.
Okay. I don't know, Maddie.
You have to answer the question. What do you mean?
What if it's crazy to me and not crazy to you?
Name a crazy time. Like, just name a crazy.
Or should we not put that? Beep. Okay. Something very crazy. It's crazy for me because I'm terrified, petrified of heights. Like, completely.
Yeah.
You know
I
how
think we all are.
No, some people aren't. Like, mine, you know how mommy and I get?
Yeah.
Like, we're petrified.
Yeah.
I went on a helicopter ride in Arizona, and I had to sit in the front, and it was all glass. And we went over the Grand Canyon, and I remember the pilot was trying to speak to me, and I literally told the pilot, I was like, he like was trying to be nice and talk to me, I was like, I can't talk. Like, that's how scared I was. Is that crazy?
That's more scary, but we'll just go with that.
If I think of something crazy
we'll
later on, I've done weird stuff.
Yeah, you do
I do weird stuff. Okay, that was too much time spent on one question. We're gonna shorten that up a bit.
The makeup as well.
So what is the craziest thing you've ever done?
Are you kidding me? Really?
Yeah.
Well, was it your first one?
No.
I've been doing my foundation forever.
Okay, if you had to become an inanimate object for a year, what would you choose to be?
Please explain to me that question.
Like, let's see if Maddie knows what inanimate means. What
inanimate?
Inanimate.
Alright, like who knows what that means though?
Maddie, what? If you want to be an inanimate object, this is lessons 101 with like animation, like you're moving.
I don't like this question. Next. Oh my god, okay, I like this question. If I had to be an object.
I'm not gonna be able to do my makeup. I'm not good at.
No, you have to. You have to do your makeup while we're asking questions. It's a little tricky, but you'll figure it out. Does a robot count?
Maddie, it's an inanimate. Like you can't, like you're not moving or alive.
I'd be a lifeguard chair because you're by the beach every day.
Okay, take that answer. That's a good answer.
I know.
you'd have guys' butts all over your face. Oh, should we show people what we're using?
Alright, so
I use True
let's get it clear.
Maddie's good at makeup, but I'm just super extra.
And I've learned from her, and I always say that I wouldn't be like where I am or doing this makeup and stuff if I didn't have a sister.
She wouldn't be where she is.
Because I played sports. Are you jealous?
Someone is throwing shade.
Are you jealous?
No.
Next question.
I'm orange.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
How do you relieve stress?
What the?
Emma gets stressed out a lot.
I like to lay on the couch and watch The Office. I like all the time.
Do that.
What do you do to relieve stress?
No, you can turn my volume down.
Okay.
If you watch The Office, like this video, you already know.
Should we ask them to leave in the comments who your favorite office character is?
Yeah, which one is your favorite? Do you like some Dwight? FYI, I've been doing my foundation for the past hour. Ask me a question, I'm ready. Homegirl didn't want to get questions down.
If you had to give up one thing for the rest of your life, would it be brushing your hair or brushing your teeth?
Okay, let me explain my answer. This is gonna sound gross. I would give up brushing my teeth. One, we both got this long ass hair. It would be in dreads in like a week. Two, you never said mouthwash isn't allowed. I'd figure it out. Chew some gum. One thing you've lied about in the past month.
Oh.
I already know what you're gonna say, I think, if I'm right.
What do you think I'm gonna say?
Mommy told me the other day.
Oh, the wall. Wait, shut up.
Is that what you were gonna say?
I found her sunglasses case.
Yeah, and you stole $50 from her. Is that what you were gonna say?
Yeah. But that's the only thing I've lied about.
No, I know. That's why.
Okay.
Can I use some of your concealer?
She gonna watch this.
Can I use some of your concealer?
If you don't scream in my face.
Okay, my turn. My turn for the question. My turn for the question. I don't know why she told me that.
I didn't think it was that big of a deal. I wasn't even.
Alright.
Let me explain the situation, okay? I found my mother's sunglasses case underneath my car seat, but I wasn't even looking for. I was looking for my wallet. I don't hide my wallet there sometimes, okay? I was looking for mine, and I happened to find my mom's sunglasses case, and I opened it, and there was $50. It was a week before spring break, so I took it. But I told her about it after I spent it, so I don't know if that counts as telling her about it.
Alright. But honestly, she left it in there and forgot.
Yeah, she didn't even know. I'm Mr. Right, because I'm the man of this relationship.
By the way, guys, where did I just put that concealer? Oh. Emma does my makeup and does my concealer with Tarte, and I literally love it. I actually have to go get
the Tarte Shape Tape.
It's the best.
Like, it's the shit. It's the shit.
Emma, ask me a question. Why do you do that? Should we start over?
If you wear a pair of shoes, what kind would you be?
That's a good one. I'd probably be a pair of sneakers. Definitely.
A6.
No.
Don't hate.
You're right. I don't know what kind.
You would be a pair of Nike Shocks.
I used to literally have like 4 pairs of those.
I know. I is also using Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. Gotta get enough side creases in those. Okay.
Who is your best friend?
Definitely not you.
Emma! It's me!
Yeah, Maddie's my best friend.
Okay, yeah. Would you kiss the last person you kissed again?
Yeet! It was you.
When?
We were watching American Idol and I was sitting on Maddie's lap. She wanted me to get off and she tried grossing me out by kissing my back.
That's me a lot.
I
don't know if that's weird.
Not like in a weird way.
No, we just love each
Like
other.
I'll give you a little peck on the cheek.
Okay, ask me one.
Okay. Wait.
What?
I have to set this before I ask you a question.
Oh yeah, let me set mine too. Give me that when you're done. Number 4.
Mommy was the last person I kissed. You, Mommy, Rebecca.
Is that my setting back?
No. Okay.
My twin.
Did I say you could use?
Yeah, you did.
Let me see your sponge.
No.
Sponges. Let me see your sponge. Maddie just picked up her sponge with her toes.
Why did you say that? I
sponge.
I tried to do it secretly.
Wait, let me put a little bit on Gunzel then. Sometimes
We bacon or whatever.
interrupt me one more time. If my foundation's a little too dark, I'll cut out in advance because it kind of lightens it, and then you use the dark foundation as your contour. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit up here a little bit, cover that little pimple. He's uninvited.
Isn't he not? Ask me a question.
Would you rather be a hobbit or?
I don't like these would you rathers. Ask me like a question where I can explain.
If you could have an unlimited storage of one thing, what would it be?
If I could have an unlimited storage.
Like a map.
Like a what? Like a what, Emma?
This person answered it. I've always wanted magic pants. If you could have an unlimited storage of one thing, what would it be?
Oh, you know this answer.
I'm sweating.
We'll see if you can guess the top 3 of what it would be.
Makeup.
Oh.
Doritos.
No, that's definitely one, but that wasn't the one I was talking about. That's on my top 3. Doritos. Come on, what am I obsessed with?
Me.
Alright, I'm just gonna tell you. Margaritas!
Oh.
Margaritas. I would have literally unlimited margaritas at any time of the day, any day of the week. What inspired you / us to start a YouTube channel?
That's a cute one.
It is a cute one.
I've always wanted to do YouTube. You know I've always wanted to do YouTube.
Yeah.
Now I'm doing it.
It's because I brought out this side of
Yeah,
film.
you wanted to do it as well. It made me more confident because then I wouldn't have to do it on my own.
I prefer not to wear eyeshadow. I mean, sometimes I will. Like when you do my makeup, I do.
And Maddie's eyelashes are insane. Maddie's very Irish, and I'm the Italian.
So we have the same features, like we have the same, you know, like eyes and all that.
She rocks the pale skin with the dark hair. You heard?
No! Alright, let's ask me a question. Question time. You want to ask me a question?
Next question from Maddie. Mad diggity dog. This question says, what's the most epic way you've seen someone quit or be fired? I had to quit a job for Maddie. I literally called the place that she worked at.
Michael Kors!
I pretended to be Maddie and I quit for her.
I was too scared to quit.
We were sitting in the car at Chipotle. So I said, give me the phone. I said, hi, my name's Maddieengel. I want to quit.
Wasn't she?
She's like, oh, can I ask why?
Look at my rug. That's a smart face. It's a big face.
So I just put some of the bronzer that I use as my like transition shade on my lids. And then I use the shade Escapade,
This is such a pretty palette.
the
Love it.
BH Festival palette. And it was really cheap.
Pretty color. And you know, I'm just doing my lashes over here with my favorite mascara. I have 3 of them at the moment. Too Faced. Better than Sex. It's the best mascara ever. Makes your eyelashes so full and long. Recap, I have 4 of them. 4 better than Sex mascaras.
I like to use this one, the Voluminous curved brush.
Okay, this is our go-to drugstore.
Do you even use it?
No. Like, I would prefer these, but I just like don't feel like putting them on right now.
It's in my bed.
Can you ask me a question?
Yeah, can you shut up?
Can you see my eyelashes though? Who is your biggest celeb crush?
Oh, Dylan O'Brien? I'm not done.
No, I'm kidding.
I'm not done. Dwight.
Try to guess who mine is. You probably wouldn't guess, but
Somehow.
Chris Brown. You ask me one now.
Busy. What do you think your most annoying quality is?
I'm going to steal a brush. And bronze.
No.
Oh, that's
not the bronzing brush. This is my bronzing brush.
What is the bronzing brush? But I need a big brush. Like, I need a big brush.
Excuse me, what? No! Why did you do that?
Too late! Now you have to let me use it.
Maddie, you have the same freaking brush, but let me guess, you don't use this one for bronzing.
I'm kidding.
Oh, you don't use this for bronzing? Oops.
Are you kidding me? Ignorant. Now give me my brush back.
Ooh. If you were to start a cult, what would your cult be? Doritos.
Emma, can you stop with the Doritos? I don't hide Doritos in my closet. So I would start a Dorito cult.
What would be the creepiest thing you could say while passing a stranger on the street?
Emma, like, you're asking me these hard questions. I don't know. You're cute? I don't know.
You're cute. Oh my gosh, she is so creepy.
Wait, say it again?
The body of a tree.
this blush. It's limited edition NARS. Isn't this a really nice blush? Don't you really like this palette?
Are you asking for my approval?
I need confirmation. You can't come here!
Alright, so we're gonna finish our makeup because I think this is getting kind of long.
Yeah, we're desperate. I don't know what I was gonna say.
I'm gonna do my eyeliner in my lashes. So I'm extra.
Extra. And we'll be back.
Okay guys, so we just finished our makeup. Let me set your face.
Oh my
Close
god,
your
I hate
eyes.
this.
Let's contour.
Charlie! And we're back. We hope you guys liked our first ever YouTube video.
Alright.
Stick around for more. I was thinking of what to say because you're not talking. Hit the subscribe button because you will get notifications of when we post, and we are on it. We want to be posting.
Oh my god. We're gonna try to post 2 times a week. 1 to 2 times a week.
Yeah, 1 to 2.
We're really gonna go for 2.
We'll see how it goes.
Like, comment, subscribe, people. You know the deal. I thought it'd be a good idea if you guys ask us questions.
Again, thanks for watching. We had so much fun and we want to continue doing this. We hope you continue watching.
See you next time.
Will the Engel sisters. Yeah. Bye guys.
Phone out, gotta hit them angles. Put your phone out.